Have you ever played Bloody Mary? Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. This one is the monthly YouTuber tag collab. By the way, if you want to join, it's on WhatsApp. So if you have WhatsApp, and obviously if you're a small YouTuber and you want to join every month, because different tags and we answer different questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll DM you. So like, put your Instagram in the, description box below. This video, obviously you can tell it's the month of October. This video is an October tag. There's, I think, like 15 questions. Let me double check. Okay, let me double check. There are 10 questions. I was over by 5. Okay, I don't know why. I'm just in a really good mood. Maybe it's Monday, maybe, Okay, let's just get right into the video, okay? First question. What was your favorite Halloween costume you've worn? Honestly, I don't really tend to have like a favorite one, but I just know my last year one was kind of a disaster. I hated it. I was a scarecrow. I did not like it. I don't know. I just didn't like what I put on to be that scarecrow, and just like the makeup I did was really bad. But I feel like my favorite one would have to be when I was Harley Quinn. I feel like I did pretty good. I have the net tights, the Harley Quinn shirt. I did the little blue and red and blue thing hanging down, little tattoo thing here, and a little heart thing. And then I put the 2 piggy tails, and then I spray painted it pink and blue. So honestly, and then I had the little bat. So honestly, my favorite one was Harley Quinn, just because I did a pretty good dang job. Like, Tori, you nailed that one. Okay, question numero dos. Until what age did you trick or treat? Woo! If I can even remember, I honestly think I probably stopped trick or treating when I was a teenager, or maybe I did trick or treat once, or maybe I was like 12 or 13. That was probably like the last time I trick or treated. But yeah, I just feel like 12 or 13 after that I stopped, I guess. If that answers the question. Did it? I don't know. Probably did. Number 3. What is your favorite Halloween candy? Well, why not always clap? Tori, you need to stop clapping. I really do. I don't really like candy as much as I did when I was a kid. So for me, I could say I have a favorite. Like, I really love Hershey's. I really like anything that's chocolate. Kit Kat, Hershey's, those are my favorite. But yeah, I guess I could say I have a favorite. Other than that, I don't really like candy. It's too sugary for me. Do you like horror films? Which one is your favorite? I guess I do like horror films. I don't prefer to watch them, so I don't really have a favorite one. I mean, it was good with, Pennywise and everything. I guess it was okay. Us was alright. I feel like between it and Us, those are kind of like my favorite ones. I don't know. Anyways, number 5. Halfway through. What is your favorite Halloween song? Girl or boy or they? Do I even listen to Halloween music? No. How would I have a favorite Halloween song? I don't have a favorite Halloween song. Honestly, the Adam songs is pretty good, so I would just put that out. But honestly, I don't have a favorite one. I don't tend to listen to Halloween music because for me, my favorite holiday is Christmas. Woohoo! Number 6. Have you ever played Ouija board? No, but I've seen the game in some of my friends' houses. I've always wanted to play, but no one else wanted to play. You can't really play on your own. So I've never played it. Number 7. What's the creepiest thing that has ever happened to you while you were alone? I don't tend to believe in these things. So honestly, nothing. Because when I'm alone, I love being alone. I don't know. When I'm alone, I just, it's really peaceful when I'm alone, and like I can do whatever the hell I want. Just like I do crazy things. Like for me, like it's not really creepy to be alone. So like I've never found anything creepy when I was alone, because I don't know, for me, I just love you. 8. Do you believe in the supernatural? Like I said before, I do not at all. So nope. Number 9. Are you superstitious? Nope. Number 10. Last question, y'all. Have you ever played Bloody Mary? I have not played Bloody Mary, but I have tried to do the Bloody Mary like on my own or just like with someone in the bathroom. But I just don't believe in it. And I kind of believe in it, but then I kind of got scared at once, but then I'm just like, yeah, it's fake, so I guess. Alright, y'all, that is it for the October tag. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys liked it. Comment down below if you want to collab with me, or if you have any makeup ideas or video ideas that you want me to make and you want to see. And last but not least, you know the drill. If you aren't subscribed, you better subscribe, because your girl got some great content coming up. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.